The film begins with two robbers sneaking into the SWAT base.
Inside. Go.
They slowly move around, searching for something.
Let's go.
One of the robbers notices some weapons in the SWAT office and calls his partner over.
Here.
Both are excited by what they
Come
see.
here. You, take it.
One robber sits down to play with a fancy computer, while the other picks up a gun and starts aiming it. The robber playing with the computer is deeply focused on the screen. His partner pulls out a USB stick to copy the files.
Hey, rise up.
Oh, this
The
way.
two SWAT members, Seal X and Rose,
Yes,
return
I
to their
know.
base,
Let's go.
chatting as they walk.
Yeah, every inside.
No, you're just kidding me.
The robbers hear footsteps
SWAT.
and quickly
Hey,
hide.
now.
Rose feels something is
Hey,
wrong
what happened?
and tells Seal X to
nothing.
go ahead
You go
while she
first.
checks the room.
Bye.
Seal X sits down on the sofa and enjoys some tea. Rose enters the office to check but finds nothing. The robbers, seeing the SWAT members have left, quickly finish their work.
Hey, hey, Egon, come here. Rise up. Go out. Come on.
The robber finishes copying the files, quickly hides the USB, and doesn't forget to steal two guns.
Huh? Hey.
Rose goes to the room where Seal X is sitting, and he
Okay.
happily invites her to sit with him. As Rose is about to close the door,
Stand still.
she accidentally sees the robber sneaking
Go.
away.
You got.
Without hesitation, she pulls out her gun and shoots. Seal X, noticing the commotion,
No,
runs out to
what
see what's
Hey, but
happening.
Sorry.
The two robbers team up and fire at the SWAT members. The SWAT members fire back at the criminals. The battle between SWAT and the robbers is intense. One robber is seriously injured by the SWAT members.
You okay? Hey, I go behind.
Seal X goes inside to grab two more guns.
Hey,
The injured robber sees the elevator and presses the button to escape.
move,
He tells his injured partner to go first while he stays to fight.
move. I'm okay. You go. Take it.
Seal X hands Rose a more powerful gun.
Go out now.
Together they rush out and shoot the robber dead instantly.
Fan.
The remaining robber, in pain, quickly presses the elevator button to go down. The two SWAT members rush
Come here.
out, but it's too late. They think for a moment and then quickly find another way to
Let's
chase
go.
the robber. The heavily injured robber tries to escape,
Stand still.
with the SWAT members hot on his trail. The boss, Dr. Lee, is casually strolling with the robber. The chase between the robber and the SWAT members is still intense. The fleeing robber accidentally bumps into Dr. Lee and quickly hands him the USB.
SWAT! They're coming!
The two SWAT members catch up and shoot the robber dead. The boss and his henchmen return fire and then flee.
Snake, JD!
Yeah!
The robber suddenly stops and shoots at the pursuing SWAT members, causing them to dodge. In just a few seconds, the robber is killed by the two SWAT members.
Let's go.
Boss!
Dr. Lee and the remaining robbers team up to shoot at the SWAT members. Another robber is killed by the SWAT members.
Rose,
Seal
stay in.
X tells Rose to stay while he circles around from behind.
Hey,
Dr.
ready?
Lee also orders the robber to
move.
stay and fight while he escapes.
Huh?
Seal X reappears and immediately kills the remaining robber.
Snake, Zero One.
Yeah!
Rose and Seal X reunite, and they quickly go in search of the boss. The two SWAT members search every corner but cannot find Dr. Lee.
I don't know.
By this time, Dr. Lee has hidden deep
go.
within the trees. The two SWAT members are frustrated but can't do anything, so they turn and leave. Dr. Lee laughs gleefully as he makes his escape.